Look at this thing. It's a big mega storm.
Hold
Can you cut it out? You're ruining every single video I'm making. Dude, it's coming.
Wait, hold on. Time. Oh, I almost hit the car. No, it isn't.
Sure is.
Snap, it is. Oh my god. Now I want to go home. Here, ready? Let's fight. Fight it.
Oh my god.
Wait, stop. What? Dude, it literally is coming our way. Yeah, it is. It's going super fast.
It's going like 30,000 miles per hour in the day.
Wait.
Wait, it's going two directions. That means a tornado could possibly spawn.
Hold on. Wait, what is happening on news? No, like... I think it's gonna rain. I wanna go home. Bye. It's literally coming our way super fast. There's a chance of a pop-up. So it just... A pop-up? Dude, look in that cloud.
Pop-up thunderstorms means they could pop up anywhere. But we have the safety of the garage. Oh!
Nice.
Hiya!
Wait, what? You're dead?
Pikachu!
What? Oh!
Pikachu!
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this at your head.
Oh my god, mega storm.
Come out here and fight like a man. Wait, let me pull my bike in. Got it. Dude, somebody's water bottle.
No! Oh no, the wind is beginning to kick in. The storm's coming.
I think, maybe we should
Can you give me my water bottle?
I think maybe we...
Sierra! We have the safety of the garage.
Yeah.
Chillax.
But that's not...
That's not going to do us anything.
You do. We could close the garage if we want.
Oh, that's actually a good point.
Yeah,
we could,
look. We have a window too, so we can see out.
dude, we could
You have a phone and a tablet. Sierra could use one of those.
No, she can watch.
All right, whatever. Sorry, Sierra, I tried.
No, look, we have scooters, we have stuff to do, we have balls, we got noodles, we got everything, you name it.
We have a food.
Yeah, we have food.
We got a scooter, wherever that went.
I would like to be home and in the garage.
Sierra, it's gonna be shut or open. It depends how bad it is. Last time,
Hey.
Wait, no, hold on.
I hit you in the leg.
No, we said time, we're on the time stuff.
Oh my God, it's a hole in the sky. That's not good.
That means God's reaching out to grab someone.
No, that means, and
How tornadoes don't come here?
dude, you already seen like a million tornado warnings on the TV.
I'm eating this thing.
Hey, on time.
On time. Wow. That's.
You can't go outside.
I thought we could fight out there, or that's even light.
Don't ride my bike, Ty.
Too bad.
There's not much room in here.
I'm gonna send it for a test drive.
Still gonna send it.
Hey, Tyler, what about your 8-year-old friend?
Oh, I don't know.
Alright, you're backing.
Beep. Dude, we're like having an all-out noodle fight.
50% possibilities that we could both die.
Yeah, really.
Dude, it's like coming. I gotta go.
Wait, hold on.
Ah! A lightning bite. A lightning bite.
A lightning bite?
A lightning bite.
I think Tyler just farted.
I didn't fart. You did.
Oh, I am the one.
I'm the one, don't wait a ton, don't need a gun to get respect up on this here. Oh!
Hey!
Oh!
Oh, baby, a triple.
But no, this storm is doing something weird.
Wait, hold on, he said something.
It's moving.
Dude,
Oh my God, it's coming this way. All the storm parts are moving this way. That one's coming and that one's coming. They're both coming.
Hey, sir, come here.
Alright, I'm gonna end out the video and check the radar. Peace out, and I'm signing
Sarah,
out.
come here.
Peace.
Put the noodle here.